So, good morning, my name is Andy Dyer from Coyote Software. Okay, I've got about 5 minutes to take you through 8 years of history, so I better crack on. So what is Coyote? Well, it's not a North American dog, well, at least not for the next 5 minutes. It's also nothing to do with this great stuff: 3D printing, blockchain, virtual reality, driverless cars, or Internet of Things. Coyote is an acquisition pipeline and asset management tool. What does that mean? We make it easier for our clients to buy assets, and then when they've acquired those assets, we make it more efficient for them to manage them. We're currently focused on commercial, not residential real estate, and we're a web-based platform. That means you can access us anytime, anywhere, from any device. So what's our story? Our story starts in 2009 with a pan-European fund and asset manager called M7 Real Estate. On day one of that business, the decision was taken to put tech and data at the heart of it. They did some research in the marketplace. There was nothing out there to buy. So with nothing to buy, the option was to build. What was unique about M7 is that our now CEO, a guy called Farago, was actually a developer by trade. So in his words, he went into the basement, put some headphones on, grew a beard, which he still has to this day, and 6 months later, version 1 of Coyote went live. M7 used it as their proprietary platform, and it undoubtedly helped them get to where they've got to. So it started at 10 partners, 0 assets under management, now 17 offices, north of 6 billion under management, and 250 employees. So 2017, Ollie takes the internal software team out of M7. They merge with my business. I actually had a sort of creative and advertising business. So Coyote really is the marriage of developers and designers. We come together. We create a completely new standalone company, we buy the intellectual property from M7, and we go about selling Coyote. So this is our cheesy line, apologies for that, built by property professionals for property professionals. The thing is, right, we've come out of a property company, and that gives us a huge differentiator and advantage, because every single feature in Coyote was spec'd by a property professional, and not because they thought it was a good idea, because it genuinely was a good idea. And it was designed to overcome pain points, designed to make something better, designed to make something quick, and ultimately in the belief that, there had to be a better way of doing things. So what does Coyote do? Coyote tracks an asset through its life cycle, and we've split the life cycle into 4: introduction, acquisition, management, and disposal. So introduction and acquisition, this is your deal pipeline. These are assets you're looking at buying, yet currently don't own. If you then buy those assets, you move over onto the management side of the system. So in summary, we make it easy to buy, we make it easy to manage, and then ultimately, when you come to sell it and dispose of the asset, we help you there as well. This is the big one for Coyote. Coyote integrates and aggregates multiple systems into one dashboard. Coyote acts like a hub. And integration and aggregation, all we mean is easy flow of data into Coyote, easy flow of data out of Coyote. But it's all about getting that data in one place. So we bring in valuation and forecasting, so for example with Argus or mapping to Excel, market data, property management data, companies like Yardi, MRI, Cube, facilities management, we bring in insurance details and also legal matters. So this is in effect our partnership program. This is about enriching our own clients' data with other data sources. So what are some of the challenges Coyote solves? Honestly, I could have put 20, I could have put 50 up here, but with time, I'm just going to focus on 5. So the first one, tracking deal pipeline. Some of the biggest propcos in the world still use Excel for tracking deal pipeline. Excel does many things brilliantly, but it has its limitations when tracking deal pipeline. With Coyote, we get everything in one place. We call it a single source of truth. Multiple people can log in. You can slice and dice the data. You can filter it. You can search it. And ultimately, what we're doing is bringing to life what is a very visual asset class in property anyway. We touched on this, the integrating multiple systems into one dashboard. 2 things here. Clients don't want to be logging into 5, 6, 7 different systems on a daily basis. So that's so important to bring them all into one place. But also, we get systems talking to each other that currently don't talk to each other. So when that data is in one place to view it, one place to analyse it, one place to report from it. And guess what? When it's all in one place, you get a lot more value from it. So surveyors, they're out and about all the time looking at assets. They need data on the road. So that's why you can do everything on your phone. That's not a phone, but with Coyote, you can do everything on your phone. Getting up-to-date tenancy schedules, crazy as it sounds, some of our clients still struggle to get up-to-date tenancy schedules. invariably it involves a phone call to get that tenancy schedule. With Coyote, because we integrate with the property management systems, we have live tenancy data 24/7, 365. And finally, reporting. This is a big one for us. We just won an award, so I had to get a plug-in for the award we won last week on reporting. Reporting can absolutely kill clients. It can be really onerous, monthly reporting, quarterly reporting. And the compilation of it can be so exhaustive that you get blind to the content of it because you're just so fixated on the compilation and you're not doing the added value, checking the numbers and then doing the analysis and the commentary. So we created a bespoke reporting engine. I am completely biased. I think it's the best in the business. It produces actual ready-to-go live reports, not just charts and graphs. 2 pages, 100 pages in seconds, and honestly saving our clients days, even weeks on reporting. So in summary, we've been road tested to death. We're very lucky with our background. So we've racked up over 1 million user hours, so incredibly robust and reliable system. Integrations and partnerships are key to what we do. And also, we always will be built by property professionals for property professionals. That's it for me. Thank you very much for listening. And I'm hanging around for the rest of the day until I fly home. So any questions? Look forward to answering.